everybody, it is Jessica with PlanIt Southern, and in today's video I'm going to be diving into my Happy Mail. If you guys want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay, first things first, don't mind my nails. I know they're ratchet. I just haven't done them yet. I was about to do my nails and then I saw the mail truck pull up and I just had to. I made two purchases. It was either last week. I want to say it was last week or the week before last. And one of them was from Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. They have a website. I will put it up on the screen. I will also list it down below in the description box. But it is Megan at Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. And I ordered these because my friend Erica had some and she said, you've got to check out this website. So I did, and I ordered them. The second package that I got is from 1407 Planners. It's some new inserts that I'm going to be using in May. I was waiting for these to get here so that I could do my May setup video. So I'm glad that they came in. I got these because of the lovely Salty Katie. Katie had one of these inserts and I wanted it, so I saw a few others, decided to get it. So let's start with the 1407 Planners. I haven't even opened these yet. I am so excited. But to be honest, I remember one thing that I ordered out of each package. Everything else I don't retain. So, oh, cute. Alright, that is everything. And, oh good, they just slide out. Cool. So, they give you, this is the first time I've ever ordered from them, by the way. So, they give you, I love flamingos, and they give you the cutest flamingo paperclip ever. That is so cute. Pretty printed, planned. Oh, they have more freebies. I love this card idea. That is a great idea. So there is a die cut. Feels like it's out of a thick cardboard. 1407, thank you for your order. Join us in our Facebook group. And then it has all of these on here. Love that. This one is shows you where they're printed and assembled. That's cute. Oh, that is a copy of my receipt. Thanks for your order. Oh, that is so sweet. I love handwritten messages. I handwrite on each one of my receipts, so I really think that is a nice touch. All right, so let's get into the actual inserts. I love that the covers are white, first off. This one is, ooh, the weekly. And I do like this paper. I was kind of nervous that I wouldn't like the paper, especially for my fountain pens. It feels like they printed on a laser printer, so I'm into that. Nice, crisp lines. It's cut well. The spine is cut well. There is just one little snag, but I'm not too worried about that. I love that they're kind of squared off at the spine. And I got April, and this one runs April through June. I'm not going to plan April out since it's already past April, but I love the tracker. Over here, the to-do box, and then the menu box, and then over here, I'm just going to probably make another tracker for myself. So, I really like this. I really like this spread. So, that is the first one. This is going to be my main insert. I do like Annie plans, but I really like this dot grid right here a little more. So, this one is a grocery list, and I love the way that it's laid out. There's produce, dry goods, canned goods, meat, bakery, deli, chips, snacks, drinks, condiments, baking spices, personal, miscellaneous, dairy, household, and frozen. And I really love this. I'm gonna have to finish later, guys. My husband just got home. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. My husband was coming for me to do, he was coming home for me to do something for him. I needed to do payroll, and he was pulling up, so I had to get off the phone pretty quick. Anyways, I really like this insert because I really like how it's set up. I'm doing the keto diet now, so when I make out my grocery list, I think in terms of not really meals anymore. Before, when I would grocery shop, I would get meals plus 1 or 2 snacks, or, you know, items that I may need. But mostly, I would just get what I had to get for meals, and then I would kind of look around on the aisles that I was on, kind of walk around and see if there was anything else that I needed. But now I can go through each category in my head and think, okay, what can I get to make different keto items? What can I get for my husband? You know, stuff like that. So that is why I got this insert, and I really like it. This insert is also pretty cool. I'm going to use it to track my sales, my Instagram, my sales, and things like that. My husband is home today. It's Saturday. I started filming yesterday. Anyway, and now my husband is home, and he is coming in and out of the house. Okay. So I'm going to use this. Okay, so Etsy is making some changes. Look in the pantry, honey. Do you see it? It's a big bottle. Okay. I can't even, y'all. I can't even. Okay. I'm glad that y'all love me, because otherwise this is hilarious. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to do this to track my sales in my shop, my Instagram, my new releases, and stuff like that, because Etsy is making changes, and I'm going to see about moving my shop gradually over to a standalone shop with Shopify. So that is why I got this, because I can post the month, I can make my notes, I can use my hashtags, and then I can do, you know, my different weeks, how many sales I have, if I have any new releases, make sure I post it on Instagram, my most liked post, how many followers I have, and keep track of that. So I really like this insert as well. So those are my 3 inserts. I can't wait to get them set up in my new planner. I'm going to be using my Planner Society kit for May, and then I'm going to be using my brown Kodiak from Salty Katie Co. So, all right, let's move on to Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. So I got this package from Grumpy Bear, and I cannot wait to get it, to get into it, because 1, I only remember one specific sticker that I bought, and 2, I'm kind of excited to see her stickers in person. So, oh, I love that they're small. I love that they're small. Okay, so that is just my my packing slip, and just to let you guys know, if you decide to order from Grumpy Bear, be aware, I spent $30. So this just says order for Jessica. That is so smart. Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. Thank you. I'm so excited. These bears are so cute. I didn't even know she existed, and I'm so excited. Okay, look at this one. Isn't this cute? I'm going to zoom you guys in. And I'm so sorry if this video is shaky. I'm using my phone. But isn't that cute? Oh, I can't. These are so cute. I didn't choose the Grumpy Life. The Grumpy Life chose me. I love that. And then this is just a little sampler. These are all the freebies. So, order more stickers. Those are so cute. All right, so I ordered, let's see. I'm going to put this right here so maybe I can tell you what the actual sheets are that I ordered. I think this is part of the... This is the Annoyed boxes, Grumpy Annoyed boxes. Aren't they so cute? I love those. This is the, oh, this is part of the Grumpy's mini collection, I think. Oh, wait, no, this is Grumpy Bear Hates Laundry. And then these are the Order More Grumpy stickers. I just thought they were so cute. And then Bear Flicks and Chill. I love this because me and my husband, we do really watch Netflix shows together a lot. Netflix and Hulu. We catch up on a lot of shows together. So I love that one. This one is Planner Girl box subscription. Wait, no. Grumpy Needs a Moment is what this one is. Grumpy Needs a Moment. I love that. This one is the Planner Girl box subscription. So it actually kind of reminds me a lot of the Planner Society, but I'm going to use those. This one is just a Grumpy sign. This one is Bestie Date, and it's Target and Starbucks. And then Call Your Mama, because I always forget to call my mama when I'm supposed to. So, and then this is the Grumpy Bear mini collection. I love how she did this sticker. It's so cute. I don't want to tear it. But this is the mini collection. Oh, that's cute. That's a sticker as well. So this is what comes in the mini sheets. This is the bear in the coffee cup. This is Grumpy Bear grocery shopping. Washing dishes, which legit looks like me. If y'all have seen my cleaning videos, I always get stuff on me when I'm washing dishes. This is the sweeping the floors, taking out, putting it in the trash. And then this is just a little like sign. And I absolutely love these stickers. Absolutely love them 100%. So excited. Okay, so that was my little haul. That is my Grumpy Bear order and my 1407 planners order. I am going to be doing another haul soon. I actually just got the notification. Well, I didn't just get it. I logged into my Etsy and saw that my order had shipped from Little Red Prince. So I will be doing another haul when I get that order in, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this small video. I will put some bloopers in at the end from when my husband walked in, because it was kind of hilarious. Maybe. If they weren't hilarious, I'm not going to put them in, so don't hold me to it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.